Welcome! If you're a streamer or content creator who loves using Discord while broadcasting, you know how important it is to keep your personal info safe. But sometimes you want to share a little more with your viewers. With Discord's latest update, managing what info shows up during streamer mode is easier than ever. Let's walk through how you can control your personal information visibility right from your PC. First, open up the Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're in, look down at the bottom left corner of the screen. There, you'll spot a small gear icon. That's your settings menu. Give it a click to open up all the options you need to customize your experience. Now, inside the settings, you'll see a bunch of different tabs and options. What we're interested in is the streamer mode section. It's usually listed right there in the main menu, but if you don't see it right away, you can use the search bar at the top of the settings to find it quickly. Click on Streamer Mode to enter its specific settings. Once you're in the Streamer Mode menu, you'll notice several checkboxes and switches. Discord, by default, tries to hide your personal information when streamer mode is active, things like your username, status, and certain notifications. But if you want your viewers to see more of your info, or if you just want to be in control of what's hidden, look for the option that says something like Hide Personal Information or Prevent Hide Personal Information. Depending on your Discord version, the exact wording might be a little different, but the idea is the same. If you want to show your personal information, simply make sure this option is turned off or unchecked. That way, when you're streaming and streamer mode is on, your viewers will be able to see your usual Discord info, just like when you're not streaming. And if you ever want to switch it back, just check the box again. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can easily manage your personal information visibility while using Discord streamer mode on PC. Whether you want to keep things private or share a bit more with your audience, Discord's latest update gives you full control. Thanks for watching and happy streaming!